Good afternoon, guys. Redneck Garage here. We're going to do a video on this Coleman mini bike here. My father-in-law got for his wife. Brand new. We got to put some oil in it, some gasoline. When the women get back with the gasoline, we're going to move these handlebars back so they're more comfortable and the headlight moves around and whatever else we can see that China didn't tighten up. We're going to see how well a video it is. This is Ron, one of my boys, my stepson Jarek. Come on out here. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
And my boy Christopher. Say hi to the camera, buddy.
Hi.
Back up, say hi.
Hi.
We brought the go-kart home. I'm going to do a video on that. We're going to do some more horsepower mods. All right. Let's see what we got here.
Yeah.
Man, they put rubber bands on everything on this thing,
We're
didn't they?
helping you, right? Right, Steven?
Right. My garage help.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, happy holidays.
Happy
Get your
holidays.
beer and drink it. This is what I like to drink. Right here, Budweiser with Jim Beam.
Right there's the Budweiser
Right there.
of kings, buddy.
Right.
I'm the king.
To break the motor in on this bad boy, we're going to use conventional Super Tech Walmart brand. It's good oil. I use it a lot. It's not bad oil for the money. 10W30, we're going to break it in for about an hour, depending upon how, how they ride it and stuff. Might let it break in for a couple of rides, and then we're going to put some full synthetic in it.
Hey,
So,
Steven, did I drive that?
with your helmet, buddy.
Yay! Didn't I drive the go-kart and watch him?
Then after the motor's fully broken in, we're going to go to some Quaker State Full Synthetic Ultimate Durability Oil. And we're going to see how that works.
Steven?
What, buddy?
I'm gonna drive in this.
You drive this, and I drive that. Yeah, I drive that. No, you drive this, I drive that.
I don't think you could drive this, Jarek. You might get the ride with Mimo or something.
I can drive that.
And
Yes, I will.
Okay. Let's see how my cobalt tools work.
Do you need my help,
Should be a
Steven?
10.
Do you need my help? Because I'm your helper?
Yep, you're my helper, buddy.
Do you need my help?
Not right yet. Maybe I'll get you to help me put the oil in it.
After this video, we're doing another video, Steven.
Oh yeah, this is a Coleman 190cc engine. I'm not sure about horsepower. If I were to guess, it's 5 or something. We're not worried about horsepower.
No, because that's already horsepower.
For what it's going to be doing, it don't really matter.
Can I drive the go-kart on the real road?
We might. No, not on the road you're not.
What? What do you do?
Alright, it's better, but
It's still wobbly. You know what we'll do later on? Good thing we're tightening up these handlebars because bolts
No,
aren't
this
really
is
tight.
everything.
We're
Yeah,
going to
tighten
have to
everything
go
up.
over it. They just half slapped together.
Yep.
Do you need
Let's see. That's probably comfortable for her.
Do you need my help yet?
Here, come tighten these bolts, bud. We gotta go like this. You do that?
Oh my god.
Were they loose?
Yeah. 19, you have
Oh, Steven.
socket.
Yeah. All the other drawers are sockets.
I want to try to sit on it if I can find balance.
Okay, well. All right. Let's move to another one.
Can you get it, buddy?
He's getting it.
Yeah.
Good job. Here,
Racket.
move out here if you have to. There you go. What, bud?
No. I'll say the dog jerk.
All right, let's move to another one.
Yeah, I want to try to sit on this without it.
Yeah. Chill out. Here, pull it. Pull it. No, the other way. Pull it towards you. Pull it towards you. Pull this way. There you go. Okay, here, move over here. Get out Papa's way so he can tighten up the tire. We didn't put this bike together. Walmart did, so gotta go over it. Careful.
Papa. Make sure they did
All right, let me go over it because we don't want to over tighten. Okay?
Damn, man.
Did that lose?
I'm bad in the dog car.
Oh my God.
What?
That's
How loose are they?
Probably looser than they should
yeah,
be.
they're different
Did I
sizes.
balance that, Steven?
Christopher,
Huh.
get off of it right now. We're trying to tighten stuff up.
I think anybody bounced that.
No.
What are you looking for? What size?
Where's
Wrenches?
I just.
Right here.
Oh, jeez.
I'm gonna follow that.
You might have to move to a socket for that.
I'm
I'm
You're
gonna
missing
follow
the socket. You
these.
got
I'm
it.
gonna drive these
gonna
sides
go.
like that.
Yeah, this. Yeah.
That goes there?
Yeah.
We don't.
Okay.
When do we fix all this stuff in our garage?
Tomorrow while I'm off, I think we're gonna come out here and do some work on the go-kart.
And then that.
That needs a bath.
Hold on to that for a minute. Thanks, dude.
Yep.
Yeah, I like the four-wheeler.
I know you do.
That's
I
a
like that
17 and a
four-wheeler.
17 and a 19.
Oh, geez.
Jeez, man.
I think put the wrong sports on there. Steven, drive that.
No.
And that.
Eric, you better knock it off.
Oh my God.
Oh, no.
I don't. Hey,
I get to
my
use,
tools, I know where I'm going. But
I know. Get to use the brand new funnels.
Do you need my help on these funnels?
Yep, I'm gonna have you help me put the oil in, okay?
Okay.
So give me a second and we'll. Then after we get the. Oh man, who did
I
that?
don't do that.
No.
Ooh. That is rude.
You did that, Dad.
I ain't no way.
Shit.
What?
I gotta redo this. Shit.
What'd you do?
I got my beer.
I got beer in the house. We're gonna pour a little bit in because it won't take a full quart.
Oh, it won't?
No, it won't.
Okay.
So, hold on. What do we need oil for?
For the mini bike.
Yeah, but what's it do?
Drive.
Yeah, but does it lubricate the engine?
Yeah.
It lubricates the engine. Good job.
So that's
Okay,
cool.
easy,
Eel.
easy, easy.
Hey, Dad, this still has gas in there.
My four-wheeler barely has any gas. Whoa, we're making a mess.
Sorry.
It ain't your fault.
Okay.
No. Hold on. We're making a mess. I think my shop rack. Imagine that. We're gonna try this little tiny guy here.
We are
Yeah, we are.
Mr. Tiny.
Mr. Tiny.
Why do you have Mr. Tiny, guy? You want Mr. Tiny?
Yeah.
Why do you want Mr. Tiny?
We're gonna do more than one funnel.
What?
We're gonna try. Okay. Now help me pour slowly.
gonna test drive it, Jack.
Can I test drive this? The go-kart? Steven?
It's a pain in the butt to get oil in this thing.
It is?
Sheesh. There's only one oil spill on it too.
There is?
Yep.
Only one? There are two on the other side? Where does that go to, Steven? How will we get this out to test drive? Go-kart. Steven?
Here, come on. It's not gonna take all that much oil, but
I didn't want the oil.
it's gonna take quite a bit, but not a whole quart. Alright, we wanna check it, cause that's half a quart. Oh yeah, she's full now. She's actually over full. Let's pull the bike over so I can get some oil out of it.
Uh-oh.
You know, it wouldn't take quite that much.
Is it done ripping? Hey, Steven.
Hold on, I got it. Don't worry about it, bud. Okay,
It's done.
that should be right there where she needs to be, right there.
I'm trying to test drive this one. I'll hang on to the grip first.
Sure.
What?
I gotta get me some kitty litter here.
You?
I do.
What kitty with?
I'll show you.
It's sitting like how Daphne has kitty litter? The same thing. Take it away now.
Some more.
I did.
Good deal.
They came with the house.
Yeah. Tell me about that.
Yeah. I had a whole thing of shop rags that Dennis gave me.
Okay, are we done with this yet?
Not yet.
Yet?
Oh, there were all them shop rags there. Ciao, buddy. Shoot, I don't have any old towels out here quite yet.
No?
No.
Steven, I love you.
Oh, you bud.
This is a long video, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be a long video.
Yeah. Dad.
Alright guys, that's it. We're going to do it in two sections. So once they get back with the gas, I'll turn the video on, we'll get it on, and we'll do the first fire up together. Peace. Okay, guys, Redneck Garage Part 2. We'll go around here and show you the mini bike here real quick. It is a Coleman BT200X. We're going to put the fuel in it for the first time. We went around it in the first section and tightened up all the bolts. The Chinese people didn't tighten up, because they don't care if the shit falls apart while you're riding it. But we do, we care. Okay, guys? I'm gonna sit you back down here on the tripod. My lovely family is eating. I already ate, and I already had like a 6-pack of, yeah. Say hi, guys. Say I'm back.
Hi.
Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Nobody wants to see that.
Hey, Father, where's my beer?
In the truck.
Where? I don't know.
I'll get it.
Okay.
Damn, man. Hey.
What?
Dave,
All right, we're gonna put gas in it. First time, we're gonna fire it up. After I finish my beer. What? I already ate because I'm fat.
I'm fat too.
There's only one bite for me. I'm gonna have to go back and get another one. Only real men drink that beer. All you sissies be drinking Bud Light. What?
Well, you can't actually say that.
What?
But I don't think they'll want to say that.
I can say whatever I want. It's my channel. If nobody likes it, they just won't watch my stuff, which is A-okay with me.
I can watch your stuff because it doesn't come up on my thing.
Dang, how much fuel does this thing hold?
Well, I think I can.
Looks like it's gonna hold at least a gallon. Tell you what, this thing reminds me of a Honda, so it must be Honda clone all
Has to
around.
be a Honda.
Huh?
Has to be a Honda.
It's a Honda clone. Even got a Honda gas cap. See this, guys? This is an old Honda ATC gas cap. I smell.
Yes, sir.
Smell that?
Smell it.
Smells like clone.
I can see it. I know what it is.
Ugh, guys.
Yeah, just save it for later.
The oil was already on from the factory. Imagine that. Too cool.
Oh, man. Wonderful. That's good.
Gotta warm up. I should have left the choke on. I knew better. Choke. Gotta warm it up. Like a Harley Davidson.
They're rotted.
Watch your. I don't want your.
Gotta warm up a bit. Who's driving? You in.
Even you can ride it first.
Well, who's gonna video me? Somebody gotta get the video.
Me!
No!
Hold on. Somebody in the adult has to do it.
Laura, I'd rather you do it. Just take the whole tripod. Dom. Grab me.
Come on, Scrubby.
Christopher, grab the donkey.
Scrubby, come on, baby. Stop. Stop it.
He's blind. I can't even see him.
I can try it.
But he went too fast for me. He's already down the road. Oh, Lord. Here, I'll get him on the way back.
Got a good headlight on it.
Here he comes. Here he comes. Look at him go. He's going on it. Oh, you got it.
Uh-oh, there's a car.
Uh-oh.
I try it.
No, honey, you can't. Not by yourself.
Here he comes. Look at him go. That's a car, and then here he comes. There he goes. He's coming in. He's coming in.
Yeah. You're not driving.
Yeah. Unless he's with somebody. But tonight, I don't think we're going to ride.
There
This
he
thing
is.
moves.
Nothing.
Yeah. I'm gonna try it Mimo. It is after all yours.
I know, but I'm
Good range, dude.
I think I'll wait till daytime.
Okay. I'm gonna go spinning around real quick.
I try it with you, Mima.
Tomorrow.
No.
Not tonight.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, just for mine.
Here he comes again. He's turning it around.
Don't blame me. I cannot drive.
I'm gonna walk back here.
But not tonight.
Mom, you got Scrappy. We'll go in here. I don't know if he's gonna say anything else.
You got it on video?
Yeah. Should I stop
Still
it?
doing video?
Yeah. Okay, it's coming back.
It's got some balls.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Real nice first.
I'm
$400
315
wonder.
pounds. It holds me good.
Down, Laura.
Oh,
The green.
Brakes need adjusted.
Yeah.
Yep.
No.
They work, but
I can smell.
that's the clutch. You smell.
No, the clutch, everything is
Yeah.
all new.
It's all
But
new.
No, I did not try one of those.
Okay, guys. That's it for Redneck Garage. Peace.